Dear colleagues, and because majority are new, I really want to ask you, please make laws that will help our country. Even when government bring laws, scrutinize them. You know, the last 4 years, and I think now everybody knows the deep state and the what were they called, the system. Those are fallacy. Even I'm sure if the chief is no longer a deep state. The county commissioner has realized he is not a deep state. The DPP could not work. He was told choose which file to take to court. The EACC, there was gun on the head. Look for the file of Aden Duale and don't take this one. The judiciary was marshaled. The controller of budget could not say that counties has overshoot their recurrent expenditure. Our counties are employing 50–60% outside the PFM requirement of 35. Honorable Bandi and team, you will watch from TV the way this country will change. I have no doubt. I have no doubt. You know, Honorable Kiraitu Murungi in 2002 said, President Moi, go home and buy a TV. I am telling you, buy a TV. May God give you more years to live, and watch how William Samoei Arap Ruto will transform this country. Please, buy a TV. That level will come down. In 30 days, Honorable Mbandi and the rest, in 30 days, we have stopped subsidy of petroleum products. No, I am not a minister. I am a member for Garissa Township. Madam Speaker, you need to protect me. I am the member, and I want to thank the people of Garissa Township. They elected me 4 times in 4 different political parties. ODM, URP, Jubilee, and now in UDA. That tells you they have the confidence in the leadership, and all that I moved with William Ruto. They were telling me, go with William Ruto. He took me to ODM. He took me to URP. He took me, but I didn't mind because I was a pastoralist. Madam Speaker, I am so happy that what I said many years ago, that I will retire from politics when William Ruto in the State House. That dream has been achieved, and God bless Kenya. God bless the government of William Ruto, and I hope this House will provide the leadership. I know we have a very vibrant opposition. We have got very good leaders on the other side. Let us all work together to protect the interest of our people. And thank you, Madam Speaker.